good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 10. The story about the sheep where did lost. The tax collector and the sinner them gather around for hear what Jesus have to say. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them start grumble, say, "The man you friend up sinner, and all a yam with them." So Jesus answered them with that story. Suppose one of them have 100 sheep and one of them lost. You now go left the 99 in the field and go look for the one we lost till you find it. When you find it, you're so glad you put it on your shoulder and go your yard. And when you reach, you call out your friend and neighbor them and say, "Come celebrate with me. Me find my sheep where it lost." Jesus said to them, say, "Me I tell you now, a same way heaven go celebrate over one sinner we turn to God than over 99 people we do right and we have nothing for sorry for." The story about the kind where it lost. Or suppose one woman have 10 silver coin and lost one. She now go light a lamp, sweep out the whole of the house and look everywhere till she find it. When she find it, she call out her friend and neighbor them and say, "Make we dance and prance, me find me kind." Me I tell you, a same way God angel them happy when one sinner turn to God. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.